Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: installed VS Code, extensions for your language, and a project folder. Open that folder now so the editor can index files. This improves search and IntelliSense. Once done, enable autosave and pick a readable theme so you avoid eye strain during long sessions. Make sure the integrated terminal defaults to your shell and that Git is initialized if you'll track changes. These first steps speed up every following action. You now build the core workflow. Open the command palette to run commands and tweak settings. Configure debugging with a launch. JSON and create tasks. JSON for build or test automation so you can run with a single shortcut. Use IntelliSense and language-specific snippets to reduce typing and prevent errors, and employ multi-cursor editing for repetitive changes. Once your workspace settings are saved, you'll reproduce the same efficient environment across. You finish by committing and pushing your work, then enabling settings sync so your extensions and key bindings follow you. Make sure recommended workspace extensions are installed for consistent behavior across teammates. If something goes wrong, restart VS Code and inspect the Output and Problems panels to identify extension conflicts or missing paths. Disabling suspect extensions one at a time often reveals the culprit. Finally, verify debugging and tasks run as expected so your environment is reliable for production work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.